Hi, I'm Katie. I'm with the Catholic Company, and today we're going to be making Shamrock soft pretzels for St. Patrick's Day. So this is a really simple recipe, very few steps, so anybody can make it at home if you need something to celebrate St. Patrick's Day or you're just feeling like having some pretzels. This is a perfect option. So first we just need to preheat our oven to 375 and get a sheet pan ready with parchment paper. And then we're just gonna use some store-bought dough. So this is a breadstick specifically dough, but you could probably use another kind and it would taste delicious too. So we're just going to roll this out and form it into 10 breadsticks. And we're gonna just shape them and to get them into like a shamrock shape. But you can just have fun with that and make it kind of any shape you want. Really doesn't matter. Just gonna make it about like a little over a foot. So we're going for the 3 clover, or I don't even know, is it clover or shamrock? I feel like I don't know the proper name of them, but we're going for 3 because that's what St. Patrick's did, show the Trinity. So I'm gonna do that. Again, this is just very flexible, customizable. You can do it with like all your kids and just kind of everyone takes their own little piece of dough and kind of does whatever they want with it. That'd be a really fun idea. All right, so we're just gonna reserve like 2 of these for the stems of the shamrock, and then we're gonna do a little bit of arts and crafts here. Okay, so we're gonna form these into 3 loops for our clovers. And then just gonna kind of pinch them together so that they stay. And then we're going to put these onto the pan that we had prepared before. So once you have your little loops, we're gonna put them onto the pan. And just pinch those together. If it doesn't stay, you can just pinch it again. And we'll leave some space for the stems. So we're gonna make about 8 here, but depending on the size that you roll out, it might vary. It's honestly a little harder than it looks to get the 3 loops. But it doesn't matter, it's gonna be cute and taste good. Okay, now we'll roll out some extras. Maybe we'll add a few more at the end. But we're just gonna cut these into smaller pieces to add as the stems. And we'll just place those on to our cute little shamrocks. I really don't remember. I don't know the last time I saw a 3-leaf clover. Or definitely more common than I saw a 4-leaf clover, but the last time I, stopped and smelled the shamrocks. All right, so we're gonna add an egg white wash to our pretzels. So we're just gonna separate the egg white and the yolk. This is super simple, don't be intimidated by it. You just kind of run the yolk through your fingers gently and let the egg white fall until it's all through. All right, and then we're just gonna whisk our egg white a little bit to kind of separate it. Just do that for a few seconds. All right, and then we're just gonna use a little brush, or you can just use your fingers and cover these up. I'm gonna cover them all the way, and that's gonna give them a nice golden look at the end and help our seasoning stick. All right, so we have our egg white wash. Now we're just gonna add our seasonings, and you can really have fun here. We're doing an Italian seasoning flavoring with a mustard dip in a second, but you can do like everything seasoning. You can do like sweet kind with cinnamon sugar. Have really a lot of fun with this. And again, like if you're with your kids, you can just everyone can kind of make theirs whatever flavor they want. So we're just gonna add some Parmesan cheese to these, and there's really not particular measurement here. You're just kind of covering them, making them tasty. So we got Parmesan, and then we're doing some Italian seasoning. Just covering them up real nice. And then some sea salt Got some coarse part here, coarse sea salt. I feel like that's just like perfect pretzel. It's just that nice chunky sea salt on top. Let's get real generous with that. All right. And that's that. So we're just gonna put it in the oven at 375 for about 12-14 minutes until it looks nice and golden. So while your pretzels are baking, we're just gonna make a dip, and we're gonna do a really simple mustard dip here, but you can really have fun with this again whenever you like, or just eat them plain. But just for our St. Patrick's theme, we're gonna take some yellow mustard and do a little science here and just add some blue food coloring to make it green. And this is super fun, and I'm sure your kids will love this. They can have fun with that. It's just kind of the magic moment. To about 4 drops of food coloring. I'm just gonna stir that and get it to turn fun green. So our pretzels are looking good in the oven. They're almost done, and we have our fun green dip here. And this is super easy. If you want to make it at home, the recipe is going to be in the link description below. So if you just want to like our video, subscribe, and check that out, maybe give a comment, tell us if you liked this video and want to see more. We'd love to hear that. But yeah, this is super simple again, super fun, and just a great way to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, or anytime. So it's very fun. So we're good here. It's been cooking for a little over 12 minutes. Oh, it smells so good. We'll just get like a hot plate so we don't hurt our countertop. So I'm just gonna put these for our party, St. Patrick's Day party. I don't know if people have those, but you can have one. It's a perfect excuse. So cute, so little. They're all uniquely shaped, but they look so cute. Honestly, marinara sauce would be so good with this. Breadsticks, so just that pizza flavor. I'll just add a little bit more sea salt, because why not? Awesome. So now it's time to eat. Let's see how these are. Actually, oh, looks so good. So good. So salty. Mustard's a good touch. Perfect little St. Patrick's Day recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Really easy. If you want to make the recipe, again, that's in the description below. Again, like and subscribe, and let us know if you ended up making this, and if you have any other ideas for the future, we'd love to hear it. Thank you guys for watching.